How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you the difference between constructors and methods. All right, let's get straight to the code. All right, for our example, we're going to create a class called Lion. So our lion is going to have an age and it's going to have a name. So now it's time to show the difference between a method and a constructor. So let's say we want to create our constructor first. So public lion, and we're going to have this dot age set to 10 and name, and this dot name set to Oscar. All right, so a constructor defines an object in the class. Now let's try to make a method. So we'll have public growl and parameters and brackets. See, now it's going to give you an error. So this right here in Java is thinking you're trying to create a constructor, but you're not. You're trying to create a method. So a constructor can only have the name of your class. So now let's try to make a method. Public void growl, and let's say roar. All right, now let's go to our main method and create lion. Lion is equal to new lion, and we'll have lion dot growl. Let's run it. And yes, it prints out roar. So the difference between a constructor and a method. A constructor defines an object. A method defines the actions of that object. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you for watching.